Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 11.2 question number 4. The diameter of a circle is a line which joins two points on the circle and also passes through the center of the circle. In the adjoining figure 11.12, AB is the diameter of the circle, C is its center. Express the diameter of the circle in terms of its radius. Here you see that AC that AC line, we see that AC is equal to BC plus CA. Now here you see that C is the center of the circle, right? Since C is the center of the circle, therefore we can say that since C is the center of the circle, C is the center of the circle, C is the center of the circle, C is the center of the circle. Therefore we can say that BC is equal to CA, right? Therefore you can write here is equal to AC is equal to BC plus CA is equal to BC. Therefore you can write BC plus BC, or you can write BC plus BC is equal to 2BC. 2BC. Therefore AC is equal to twice of BC. What is AC?